Take an overall look at the skydiver. Try to notice anything that is ill-fitting, asymmetrical, or grossly out of place. If visible, check the AAD to see that it is on and set to the appropriate setting for the skydive. If the unit is not visible, then verify with the skydiver that they turned it on prior to donning their equipment. Move to the reserve flap. Open it if necessary. Check to see that the reserve pin is inserted into the reserve closing loop and hidden in the bottom of the limiting tape. Notice the condition of the reserve closing loop, the closing pin, and the ripcord cable. Also, inspect any visible RSL, Collins, and skyhook components. Note that there is a rigger seal and ensure that the cable routing through the guide rings is correct if it is visible. Manipulate the ripcord cable, proving continuity from handle to the pin. Ensure you close the reserve flap before moving on to the front of the skydiver. Move over the left shoulder of the skydiver. Check that the 3-ring release system is correctly rigged and sitting flat. Ensure the Type 2 nylon passes through the grommet, the cutaway cable housing, and that it further contains the cutaway cable. Verify the security of the ripcord handle. Ensure it is seated fully into its pocket and that the Velcro is fully mated. If visible, further check the condition of the cable swage. Check the leg straps for fit, condition, and correct routing through the buckles. Check the chest strap, ensuring that it passes through the friction bar and that the excess is stowed. Move up the right side of the rig and inspect the cutaway handle, ensuring that the cables are routed correctly through the chest strap and that the Velcro is properly mated. Check the right 3-ring release system in the same way as you check the left. Look at the RSL shackle and make sure it is configured correctly. Have the skydiver turn around and check the condition of the main and reserve containers, taking notice that the risers are appropriately stowed. The following step may require familiarity with the equipment. Open the pack closure protective flap. Visualize color in the pilot chute status window. Ensure proper bridle routing and that the main pin is adequately inserted into the main closing loop. Close the protective flap carefully. Ensure that any excess bridle is stowed and secured running to the BOC pouch. Ensure the pilot chute is secured in the BOC pouch and that the deployment handle is properly positioned.